Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna explain to you how to create an Amazon account. So the first step is to simply go to amazon.com and then simply hover your mouse over account and lists and then simply click on start here next to new customer. And then what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your first and last name, and then after that what you're gonna have to do is simply enter either your mobile number or email address. So I'm gonna enter my email address really fast, and after that you're gonna have to simply create your password and then simply re-enter it. And then what you're gonna have to do next is simply click on verify email, and then what you're gonna have to do now is simply go. So let's solve this puzzle first. Now what we're gonna have to do is simply enter the verification code that we just received on our email, and basically that should be, so click on verify. Now what you're gonna have to do is simply add your mobile number, and basically that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.